Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Android apps close when minimized. In order to prevent Android's app from closing when minimized, you could try several solutions. First of all, you could try checking for an update. So what you have to do is first of all, you want to locate the particular app that's having issue. So what you could do is check for an update for affecting app in the Google Play Store. So you could just come to the Play Store and next, click on the initials from the top right, go to Manage Apps and Devices, go to Manage, and then click on Update Apps. Here you could go and look for any of these apps which is need to be updated that should be able to fix. Likewise, you could also try cleaning app cache. So for that, you simply want to go ahead and open up the settings. Next, you want to go to Apps and then click on See All Apps. On this page, you simply want to go to locate the particular app that's having issue. Long press on it or just click that out, go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the DLS, but you could do that as well. That should be able to help. In some cases, it could also be the battery optimization, so you want to disable that out. So you want to come to the settings for that as well, and here you want to go to battery sections, and then you simply want to go ahead and click on or toggle the button for charging optimization. Make sure that you've successfully turned or make sure to disable battery optimization. That could be able to. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, then simple solution is to restart or reset the device. That should be able to fix. If nothing works out, then you want to consider contacting support team. They will be able to provide you with the details. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.